excited? Are you all excited?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Yes, great. All right, so first let's start with the general instructions. Very important. Once again, I'll do it. It is compulsory for all the participants to switch on their video. All the participants are requested to mute themselves and unmute only when their turn comes. Right? There will be no bonus questions and just no bonus marks. Right? All right. Now, let's start with the names of the participants. As in team, we in team A, we have Sargun Makhija. In team B, we have Soham Thakkar. Team C is dealt with Samrid Gulati. Team D has Kabir Vinayak. Team E has Astha Gupta. And we have got Ira Raturi in team F. So all the best to all my dear participants. Do really well. So let's start with live quiz. All right, so let's see what the rules are for the quiz. We'll first read out in German and explain in English as well. Yeah? So es gibt insgesamt 4 Runden. Ja? Und Anzahl der Fragen in jeder Runde für jeder Teilnehmer. Runde 1 haben 3 Fragen und jede Frage hat 10 Punkte. Right? So in Runde 1, eine Person kann 30 Punkte nehmen. In Runde 2 gibt es auch 3 Fragen und 10 Punkte auch für jede Frage. Und dann, das ist insgesamt 30 Punkte. In Runde 3 haben Sie nur eine Frage. Runde 3 ist die Audio Round. Sie haben nur eine Frage, aber ich gebe 20 Punkte. Ja? Und 20 Punkte, Sie haben 10 Punkte für die Nomen und 10 Punkte für die Artikel. Bitte sagen Sie immer den Nomen mit dem Artikel. Ja? In Runde 4, das ist ein Visual Round. Wir haben 2 Fragen und wir haben 10 Punkte für jede Frage. Das ist 20 Punkte für jede Person. Okay, jede Frage sollte innerhalb von 30 Sekunden beantwortet werden. Die Antwort nach 30 Sekunden geben wird, erhält keine Punkte. Yeah? I'll repeat the rules once again in English so that it should be all clear. We have in total 4 rounds. The first round and the second round, you will be asked 3 questions per child, right? And for each question, you have 10 points, right? That makes it 30 points in round 1 and 30 points in round 2. When we come to round 3, which is an audio round, we will be asking only 1 question. Please mute yourself. We will be having only 1 question. In that 1 question, you have to tell us the names of the nouns along with the articles. Yeah? Because both of them carries 10 marks each. In total, in round 3, you're going to gain 20 points. In round 4, which is a visual round, you will be asked 2 questions, 10 points for each question. Yeah? So again, you'll be gaining 20 points over here. For every question, you'll be given 30 seconds to speak the answer. Anybody who speaks the answer after 30 points will not be getting any points. Right? So I hope it's everybody clear? Yeah?
Ja, Frau.
Loud and clear? Yeah, sehr gut. So alles Gute. Yes. Now let's come to round 1. Yeah? So round 1 is all about Deutsche Geography, German geography. I hope everybody's learned it, huh? Yeah? So let's come to question number 1. So Frage 1, this is for Team A. Team A, be careful. Welche ist kein deutscher Staat? Ist das Burgenland, Hessen, Saarland oder Schleswig-Holstein? Time starts now. Team A, Sargun.
Hessen.
That is an incorrect answer. Anybody knows the correct answer? We're not giving any bonus points, but no problem. Still, anybody would like
Ma'am,
say it again?
Can I? Som Thakkar,
Yes,
Team B.
please.
ma'am,
Which one?
Ma'am, team
Say,
C. Ma'am,
there is no
Burgenland.
bonus one. Definitely can answer. Surely, please
Ma'am,
tell me.
Burgenland.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely. But sorry, we'll give you marks only when we have your turn. Yes? So let's come to Team B. Team B. The next question is for Team B. Sohan Thakkar. Sohan Thakkar, are you ready?
Uh,
Wie heißt Bavaria auf
yes,
Deutsch?
ma'am.
Ist das Bavarian, Bremen, Bayern oder Baden? And the time starts now.
It's ma'am first Bavarian. Sorry, ma'am. One minute.
Ah,
It's 1, 2, 3. Ma'am, Bayern.
Bayern. Correct. Richtiges Antwort. Monica ma'am. 10 marks for Team B. Yay. Next time, think and answer. Don't be in a hurry to run, okay? All right, let's come to Team C. Team C. Nächste Frage.
Yes, ma'am. Just I spoke it. I have some issues.
कोई बात नहीं. That's okay. All right, Frage Nummer 3, that is for Team C. Okay, welche Stadt umgibt Berlin? Ist das Merkelburg Vorpommern, Niedersachsen, Brandenburg oder Nordrhein-Westfalen? Was denkst du? Was ist das? The time has started.
Ma'am, Brandenburg.
Superb! 10 Punkte. 10 points for Team C as well. Very good. Good going. Very good. Let's come to Team D now. Team D, Prague of Fear, Furzy. All right. So, wie heißt der nördlichste Stadt Deutschlands, der einst zu Dänemark gehört? Ist das Brandenburg, Schleswig-Holstein, Hessen, Mecklenburg-Vorpommern? Was ist das?
Schleswig-Holstein.
Superb! Richtiges Antwort. 10 points for Team D as well. Very good. Very good. I'm very impressed with everybody. Good going, huh? Let's come to Team 5. Team 5. Oh, sorry, Team E. Question number 5. Wie viele Länder grenzen an die Bundesrepublik Deutschland? Ist das 6, 5, 9 oder 7? Time has started. Tell me fast. Yes, Team E. Asta?
7.
Can you hear me?
Seven.
Incorrect answer. Anybody knows the answer? Anybody else would like to try?
9. 6.
Oh, you can give me all the answers. The richtiges Antwort is number 9. It's Nummer 9. 9, yeah? Kein Problem, kein Problem. Wir haben viele Fragen hier. Okay, jetzt gehen wir in Team F. Team F, the next question. Frage 6 für Sie. Deutschland ist flächlich das größte Land in Europa. Ist das 8., 4., 3. oder 7.? Team F, Ira, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Oh, all right, take your time. In
Theater.
Europa, the größte, huh?
Theater.
Sag das noch einmal bitte.
Theater.
Theater, you say? No, Theater is nicht richtig. Das ist 7. Kein Problem. Kein Problem. Wir haben viele Fragen. All right. With this, the round 1 first segment is over. Now we come to the next segment. Again, we're going to come back to Team A. We're still at round 1, okay? Yes. All right. Now the first question, Frage 1 for Team A is, welche ist die kleinste Stadt in Deutschland? And time starts now.
Bremen.
Bremen, richtiges Antwort. Superb. Yo, very good. 10 points for Team A, Monica ma'am. All right, let's come to the next one. Team B, Frage Nummer 2.
Excuse me, ma'am. There is a
Yes.
problem, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh, yeah. Now I can see.
now it's okay. We have Frage Nummer 2. We have Team B, Frage Nummer 2. All right, that is Hanji, please.
Ma'am,
Tell me what happened.
ma'am, I cannot see the answers.
Answers are not there. The first round has a multiple choice. The second round
Okay.
does not have any options for the answers. Third round also will not have. There is a variety we have. There's a lot of variety. Yeah? All right. But you're able to see the screen, aren't you? Soham? You can see the screen? Soham, you can see the screen? Soham, you there? Team B? Soham?
Time.
Soham?
Ma'am, Rhine.
Yeah. Correct. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Rhine is their lesser fuel
Yes,
in
yes, ma'am. I
Deutschland.
can see. Yes, ma'am.
Superb. 10 points for Team
Yes,
B.
ma'am. Rhine.
Correct
Hello,
answer.
ma'am. Rhine.
Correct answer. 10 points for Team B. All right, let's come to Team C with Frage Nummer 3. Yeah? All right, Team C. Nennen Sie die größte Insel Deutschlands. Samrit Gulati is there? Nennen Sie die größte Insel Deutschlands. Denken Sie, was ist das? Time is eating. Time is running out.
Madam Dugan.
Correct answer. 10 points.
Pooja, Soham has switched off his camera.
Everybody, Soham, please switch
Yes,
on your
ma'am. There is a
camera.
problem. It just
Everybody
shut down
supposed to
now.
switch on the cameras, please.
Yes, just one minute.
Not a problem. We had seen internet. Not a problem. Not a problem. Your answer is correct. Team C will get 10 points for this. Team C, 10 points. Let's come to the next question. Team D, Frage Nummer 4. Alright, the Frage is, nenne einer der schönste Berg, Schwarzwald, der höchste
cannot
Berg
see the
in
screen.
Baden. You need to pin it
No.
here. Try
How I
Try
cannot
pinning
see
it
the
over
screen.
there. You need to just see over there,
How I
Siri.
cannot see the screen.
I have heard you, dear. I have heard you. Kabir, you there, no? You need to pin. Just
Yeah,
try
sir.
to find out from the...
Yes, Mama, I think I'm having a network lag.
Network
Hello,
lag. See there? I'll say the question. If you cannot
Yeah,
see the
sir.
screen, no problem.
Sir,
Listen
can
to
I
the
dis-
question. Listen to the
How can I
question, dear.
disconnect and rejoin?
That will take time. You can answer. The time will be running out. You can hear the question and
Yeah,
answer.
sir. Yeah,
Yeah? Nenne, I'll say it very slowly. Nenne einer der schönste Berge. Schwarzwald, der höchste Berg in Baden-Württemberg ist.
Frau, can you repeat once?
Nenne einer der schönsten Berge Schwarzwald, der höchste Berg in Baden-Württemberg ist. Ihre Frage Nummer 4.
Yeah, Frau.
Ja?
Yeah, Frau, you can start the time. Uh, felt bag?
Superb! Superb! Very good. You're all not seen. You're not able to see the screen. I'm very, very, very much impressed. Very good. Very good, Kabir. 10 points, Monica ma'am, to Team D. Very good. Correct answer. Let's go further to Team E now. Team E, the next question for you is Frage Nummer 5. Nennen Sie den höchsten Berg Deutschlands. Das ist so einfach.
Ma'am, I'm only able to see Fragrance Fair.
Fragen is only over here, dear. Asta, we just have the questions over here. No, the
Ma'am,
Fragen
I'm
in
not
here.
able to see question 5.
Frage Nummer
I'm
5.
not able to see question 5.
Okay, you listen to me, dear. No problem. You listen to me. I'll speak it slowly. Nennen Sie den höchsten Berg Deutschlands. Nennen Sie den höchsten Berg Deutschlands. Das ist so einfach. Das lernen wir in die vierte Klasse. Denken Sie, was haben Sie gelernt?
Pooja ma'am, I would like
Yes, ma'am.
Pooja, let this question be over. Let this question be over.
Yes, ma'am.
Fuchsbister.
Absolutely correct. 10 points to Team E, Monica ma'am. 10 points. Next question, Frage Z.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Pooja ma'am, give me 1 second. Kabir, Kabir,
Yeah, Frau.
please sit in a way so that we are able to see your hands.
Yeah, Frau. Yeah, Frau.
Kabir,
Frau,
focus
now-
your camera in such a way that we are able to see your hands also.
Okay, Frau. Actually, I'm doing on laptop. I need to
Right.
adjust.
Yeah, you have to adjust your laptop in such a way. Kindly, please do that. And
Ma'am,
Soham, please try to switch on your camera again. See if the problem has resolved.
Ritu ma'am. Ritu ma'am.
Hanji.
Yes, ma'am. I've kept my laptop at 90 degrees. I will do like this, then I will not be able to see anything. Like, so if I keep my laptop straight, only then I will be able to see the screen. Should I
No,
connect
no,
it
you
on
keep
other
your laptop
device
straight,
if
but
you want, ma'am?
no, I think it is okay. But at least sometimes I feel that I mean that we should be able to see once or twice, as if you raise your hand sometime to give the answer, or we, you have to readjust it, right?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you give me a minute to adjust?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
let
Yes.
me adjust.
Yes.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, just 2 minutes.
Now, ma'am. Now, ma'am, I have bent it little downwards.
Yeah. It's yeah. You have bent it. Okay. It is better. Pooja ma'am, let's resume.
All right, let's resume. We were at Team F. Team F. The next question, Frage Nummer 6 für Sie. Ira, be ready. All right, was ist der offizielle Name für Deutschland? Ah, das ist so einfach. Ah, the time also starts now. Offizieller Name für Deutschland. Some Soham Thakkar has left me.
He is having, I think he is having connectivity issues.
Yes, ma'am. It's just this got disconnected. Team F, the time is running out. Quickly. Ah, that is so einfach. You would have heard your teacher saying it number of times. Just go back to the memory lanes and just try to remember it.
Do we need to tell the capital, which is Berlin?
Quickly. Oh, time is up. You didn't hear it. All right. Anybody else? The ones who are there? You don't have any bonus marks, nothing at all, but still, you can improve our vocabulary for sure. Was ist der offizielle Name für Deutschland?
May I try?
Ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Please try. You're over here to learn.
Ma'am?
Natürlich, das ist Bundesrepublik Deutschland. Das ist so einfach. Natürlich, sehr gut, super. All right, Soham has joined. Very good. Come back, Soham. Welcome back. All right, let's come to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next segment. Very good, come back. Let's come to the next segment of round one, which is identifying from the cards. Yeah? Let's come to the next one. Das ist ein Identifiziere auf der Karte von Deutschland. So the first question, Team A, are you ready? Frage 1. Kiel is the Hauptstadt von. Time starts now. Kiel is the Hauptstadt von was? Sie können für diesen Landkarte auch etwas gut können sagen? Ja? Es gibt eine Landkarte.
Holstein.
Ja, correct. Holstein, das ist Schleswig-Holstein. 10 Punkte für Team A. Very good, Sargun. Correct. Let's come to Team B. Team B, the next question. Frage Nummer 2 für Sie. Welcher Fluss fließt durch Köln,
Yes, ma'am.
Düsseldorf, Rotterdam, Strasbourg und Basel? Time starts now. And here goes the time. Welcher Fluss fließt durch Köln, Düsseldorf,
Okay, ma'am.
Rotterdam, Straßburg und Basel? Wir wissen dieser Fluss.
Ma'am,
Correct
Rhine.
answer. 10 points to Team B. Very good. I'm very impressed with all of you. I'm sure your teachers will also be.
Pooja ma'am, Pooja ma'am, I will take a
No
break
problem.
once again. I'm really sorry because if
Yes,
the
ma'am.
video of a student gets off, then simply
That was already
disqualify
mentioned
from
earlier
that
as well.
round. If Soham is also,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
Soham is also not able to join and his
I'm doing, ma'am. Internet
and
problem.
his
Yes,
camera
ma'am.
is off,
I don't know.
then you can disqualify him from that particular round because it will be unfair to the others. So, Ira, also your video should be, your camera should be on.
Participants, please keep your cameras on. That was mentioned in the earlier as well to you. Cameras has to be
And this
on.
is, yeah,
Yeah.
because we cannot be unfair to others. So, Pooja, now be careful if the camera
Okay,
gets off, then you can skip the question from Soham.
Definitely, I'll skip the question and I will not give you the turn. You will not even get the points then. This is sehr schlecht. Okay, now let's come to Frage Nummer 3, Team C. Team C. The next question for you is, nennen Sie die größte Stadt des Bevölkerungsreichsten Bundeslandes Deutschland. Ja? Nennen Sie die größte Stadt des Bevölkerungsreichsten Bundeslands Deutschland. Time is running out. Samrid. Time is going off.
Ma'am, Bayern.
No, incorrect answer. Anybody knows the answer over here? Ja? Die größte Stadt.
Berlin.
Ja, das ist so einfach. Super,
Berlin.
das ist korrekt. Das ist die richtige Antwort. Aber ich konnte dir keine Punkte geben. Kein Problem, kein Problem. Wir können unsere Kenntnisse, fair machen, ja? Let's come to the next one. All right, Team D, next question is for you. Frage Nummer 4. Frage Nummer 4. Welches ist das kälteste Gebiet mit Ausnahme der Berggipfel in Deutschland?
Frau, can you just repeat?
Sure. Welches ist das kälteste Gebiet mit Ausnahme der Berggipfel in Deutschland? Time has already started here.
Bremen.
No, das ist nicht richtig. Anybody knows the richtige Antwort? I'm sure you are very intelligent, knowing all the right answers. Anybody would like to give it a try? Anyone would like to give it a try?
Mom, Hamburg.
Anyone over here? 9. All right, I'll tell you the correct answer. That is Dresden und Görlitz. Yeah, kein Problem. Let's come to Team 5. Team E.
Pooja ma'am,
Frage
Pooja
Nummer
ma'am,
10. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
can you please confirm the marks of Team C? Last question.
Ma'am, Team C, Berlin? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. He did not give the correct answer.
Okay, thank you.
Somebody else gave the answer, ma'am.
Thank you.
I'll just let you know. Thank you, ma'am. All right. Now, let's come to Team E. Frage Nummer 4. All right. Wie heißt das höchste und umfangreichste Gebirge in ganz Europa? Ganz Europa. Denken Sie dafür, ja? Und the time has already started here. Was ist die Namen für diese höchste Gebirge in ganz Europa? Was ist die Namen dafür? Ja, Team E, Asta? Asta, time is running out. Asta, quickly. Very, very simple here. Das ist sehr, sehr einfach. Uh-oh. Time up. Timer says no time. All right. Anybody else would like to give it a try? I'm sure somebody would be able to answer this. Wie heißt das höchste und umfänglichste Gebirge in ganz Europa? Wissen Sie das? Nee? Kein Problem. Das ist die Alpen. This is the Alpen. Okay. Let's come to Team F. Frage Nummer 6. Frage Nummer 6. Team F. Nenne den rot markierten Fluss. Können Sie das wissen? Wissen Sie das? Ja? Ida? Wissen Sie das? Nenne den rot markierten Fluss. Got 20 seconds left.
Rhine.
9. 9. Jemand weiß das? Jemand weiß das? Wie heißt dieser Fluss?
May I try?
Ja, surely.
Ma'am, river
Huh?
name.
Yeah?
How?
River name for
No. What is the other one who said? The third
Donau.
person. Donau is the correct answer, but I cannot give you the point. Kein Problem. All right. Good. At least increasing our vocabulary. Kein Problem, Tafio. Very good. So, at this, we come to the end of round 1. Monica ma'am, please let us know the scores. At the end of round 1. At the end of round 1, Team A has scored 20 points. Team B is also at 20. Team C at 20. Team D at
Excuse
20.
me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
I got all the 3 correct, ma'am.
What is your name, dear?
I'm Soham Thakur.
Soham.
Yes, ma'am.
Team B. Ryan? No, over here you didn't get it right. In the third part, the maths one, you didn't get it right.
Okay.
Yeah? That was the wrong one. I just marked it over here. All right. Team I was over here. At Team D also 20. We've got A. We've got a tough competition between Team A, B, C, and D. Oh, all at 20. Team E will definitely back up. Team F, please hurry up. Get all your, all your thinking skills right over here with all your concentration. Let's come back
Hi,
to round 2.
hi Pooja. Hi Pooja.
Yes, ma'am. Good
May I,
evening.
good evening. May I just request all the kids, when Pooja ma'am is answering a question for your particular team, that time your hand should be visible, okay? So that you're not even touching your laptop. Okay? Okay, Sargun, okay, Kabir, Samriti, sorry, Samrit. Yeah, everybody. Yeah, you can relax, but when your question is there, please ensure that your hands are visible and you are not trying to research or explore Google. Okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, Preeti ma'am, how are you finding how did you find the first round, ma'am?
It's very challenging. They don't know it all. I mean, it's going to be tough for us who are going to
Oh,
win.
see, kids, you're giving tough thing, tough competition, Preeti Shah ma'am is saying. All
Yes.
right, no problem. Let's come to round number 2. Round number 2, which is all about Deutsche Politik, that is German politics, right? Let's come to Frage Nummer 1 for Team A. Team A, the first question for you. Where is der derzeitige Präsident der Bundesrepublik Deutschland? Ist das Adolf Hitler, Frank-Walter Steinmeier, Joachim Gauck oder Christian Wulff?
Frank-Walter Steinmeier.
Superb! Frank-Walter Steinmeier, 10 points to Team A, ma'am. Very good. No doubt Preeti ma'am is saying we're going to have a tough time. Great, you've done a very good homework, I must say. Great. All right, let's come to Team B. Team B, Frage number 5. Here it comes. Wer darf bei den Wahlen zum Bundestag wählen? Ja? Nur deutsche Staatsangehörige, Deutsche und EU, alle über 18 oder alle über 21. Can you please ask the person behind you to mute? Either you can mute, or if you have a turn, ask the other one to be quiet.
Okay.
Ja? Alle Optionen sind hier. Sie können ein bisschen wählen und dann sagen.
Ma'am, Nur Deutsch Staatsangehörige.
Richtige Antwort. Team B. Monica ma'am, 10 points to Team B. Nur deutsche Staatsangehörige. Richtiges Antwort. Let's come to Team C with the third question. Frage Nummer 3. Wessen offizielles Büro findet sich in einem Schloss in Berlin? Ist das jetzt eine Partei, jemand, Präsident oder niemand? Was denkst du? Your time starts now. Team C, Samrit. Samrit, 18 seconds left. Team C, Officialist Bureau.
President.
President. Okay, good. Was it really you were aware, or was it like a let's give it a shot in the dark?
Ma'am,
10
I got
points to Team
confused
C.
between Ala Party and President.
Kein Problem. Aber that is for Team C. 10 points, Monica ma'am. Team C. Very good. All right, let's come to the fourth question. The Frage Nummer 4 für Team D. Ja, wie viele Partien sind derzeit im Bundestag vertreten? Ist das 3, 4, 5 oder 7? And the time is right over here. Samrit, I've got a turn. That somebody saw your hands going somewhere. It shouldn't be, otherwise the marks will be deducted. You took a lot of time
Frau?
searching it out.
Frau?
Yeah.
3.
Yes, Samrit. One moment after this. Yes, Team D. Quickly.
Frau, I said the answer.
Say it again. Say it again.
4.
9, 9, 9. That is nicht richtig. That is falsch. 9. What about the others? You'll be saying all the numbers. You know, one will definitely be the right one. Say the right one. 5 is the richtiges Antwort. Nummer 5. Okay? Samrit, I have got reports and I can see over here that your hands were going somewhere down. No doubt, Samrit, you took time to say the answer. It shouldn't be next time, otherwise your points will be deducted. And it was already told you will be disqualified. Yes? It's not nice to repeat again and again. Right? Please make sure that. All right. Let's come to the next question. We'll continue with Team E. Frage Nummer 5. Here it comes. In welchem Jahr ersetzte der Euro die Deutsche Mark? War es in 2000, 2005, 2003 or 2002? Here goes the time. Time is running out. Team E, Asta.
5,000.
What? 5,000 you say?
Yeah.
Na. 5,000 isn't richtig. 9. No. Not at all. Anybody would like to say?
2000. 2.
5,000?
2.
No. I've got 2 more options left. 5,000? 5,000 correct. Super. 5,000 is listed. No problems. We can at least learn. We can increase our vocabulary hereby. Yeah? Alright, let's go. No points. Kein Problem. Team F. Team F. Frage Nummer 6 für Sie. Here it comes. In welchem Jahr wurde Deutschland offiziell in einer Rezession erklärt? War das in 2015, 2008, 2010 oder 2018? Here goes the time. Yes, Ira.
2010.
9. Not at all. No, das ist nicht richtig. Okay. The others can also try. Think. Recession. When was it?
2015.
9.
2008.
Okay, 2008 is besser. Das ist richtig. Kein Problem. Keine Punkte dafür. Alright, the first segment of round 2 is over. Now we'll come to the next segment and you will not be able to see any choices over here. You have it a little different way, okay? Alright, let's come to Frage Nummer 1 für Team A. Wie heißt die Vertretung des Landes Deutschland? Wie heißt die Vertretung des Landes Deutschland? Yeah? Time is going quickly. Time is running out. I just heard a little pattern earlier. Oh, 4, 3, 2, 1, over. Yes, the others can definitely try. The others try it out. And now everybody was giving correct answers, everything. What happened? All right, kind problem. Huh? Is it? Yeah. Which one?
Ma'am, Angela Merkel.
No. Nee. Wie heißt die Vertretung des Landes Deutschland, sagt er. Nicht die Namensführer Person. Das ist Bundesrat. Es heißt Bundesrat. Ja? Okay, kein Problem. Team B, next question to you. Frage Nummer 2. Frage Nummer 2, Soham. Everybody is supposed to keep their hands behind. Welche Politikerin hat im Jahr 2019 mit PM Modi in Indien getroffen? Good time. Sehr einfach. Sehr einfach. Oh.
Ma'am,
Politikerin.
Angela Olive Scholz.
Say it again. Which one?
Olive Scholz.
Say it again. Nein, das ist nicht richtig. All right. Would anybody would like to say? I just heard the answer to the previous question. Ja!
Angela Merkel.
Sie müssen mehr nachrichten sehen. Ja? Sie müssen mehr über den Politik wissen. Ja? Okay. Jetzt gehen wir für Frage Nummer 3. Team C. Team C. Next question. Wo befindet sich der Bundestag? Wo? There goes the time. Wo befindet sich der Bundestag? Samrit.
Ma'am, is it Berlin?
His hands.
Samrit's turn. Wow, how come the other is answering? Team number 3 I was. Team C.
Berlin. Berlin.
Berlin is richtiges Antwort. Berlin, 10 points to Team C, Monica ma'am. Please answer only when your turn comes. Right? All right. Now let's come to next question. Frage Nummer 4. Das ist 15 days. All right. Wie heißt der Ministerpräsident des deutschen Parlaments? Wie heißt die
Ma'am, can you repeat, ma'am?
Wie heißt der Ministerpräsident des deutschen Parlaments? Time is running out. 17 seconds left. Come on, buck up. Buck up, Team G. Kabir. This is einfach. Uh-oh. Time's up. Time's up. The others. Frage Nummer 4.
Wolfgang Scholder.
Say it again.
Wolfgang Scholder.
9. Es ist, wie heißt der Ministerpräsident? Nicht die Namen für den Präsident. Das ist Bundeskanzler oder Kanzlerin. Yeah, the post is what is there. Right? So that was the Frage. Okay, let's come to the next one. Frage Nummer 5. 15A. Team E. Wann war die letzte deutsche Wahl? Wann war die letzte deutsche Wahl? Yes, Team E. Asta. Asta, are you there? Asta?
Ja, leider.
Zagaji. Oh. It was on 24. September 2017. Even if you would have told us just the year, which is 2017, that would have been accepted. Kein Problem. All right. Now that is what is politics all about. So, all right, let's come to Team F. Frage Nummer 6. Frage Nummer 6 für Sie. Welche Partei reagiert in Deutschland jetzt? Welche Partei? Denken Sie, Namen für die Partei. Come on, Ida.
Christenlist Democratic Party.
Okay, granted. Oder CDU, kein Problem. All right, 10 points to Team F. If diese Frage. Yeah, okay. All right, with this segment, I've come to an end for the second segment. We're still at round number 2, and we have another segment over here. But I think you need to brush up your politics a little more. Yeah? But no problem. Let's come to the next one, next segment. Identifiziere auf diesem Bild. Hier können Sie ein Bild sehen und Sie müssen Sie identifizieren. Yeah? Okay. All right, Team A. Here comes the picture for you. Wie heißt diese Person?
Barbara Hendricks.
Say it again.
Barbara Hendricks.
9. Incorrect answer. Anybody recognizes this person? Maybe sometime, somewhere.
Maybe Horst Seehofer.
No. This is Joachim Gauck. All right, Samrid, I had to interrupt again. Do you want to be disqualified? Do you really want to be?
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, I am using my phone as the camera, so ma'am, I was unable to adjust the
Tell me,
angle.
what angle are you adjusting? What?
Ma'am,
It's actually, you know,
ma'am, I'm doing it.
what the way it is, like it's calculation of the exact angle I need to sit in front of the camera. If I go a little this way or this way, I'll be out. Then keep your hand a little away. Why did you keep your phone, the camera of your phone, still somewhere? I'm not touching anything. My phone is also over here. Das ist mein Handy ist hier. Aber Sie müssen das nicht in dein Hand nehmen. Bitte. Otherwise, next time, trust me, you have been already given 2 warnings by both my supervisory head, and Preeti ma'am as well. It is really not good.
Sorry.
We are just learning. Everybody's just learning over here. You will have learned a lot of things while making it. Don't worry about it. Every day is a learning. Don't worry, dear. All right, we'll continue. Team B, Frage Nummer 2. Here's the question for you. All right, what is this? Was ist das? Denken Sie. Denken und dann sagen, okay? Denken Sie. Die Namen, okay?
Ma'am, is the currency of Germany.
You need to name which one? Bitte nennen Sie die Namen. Welche? Which one? Present one or the previous one? You need to mention that. Time is running out quickly.
Ma'am, present one.
No. This was Deutsche Mark. Kein Problem. Let's come to Team C. Frage Nummer 3 für Team C. Team C, where is er? Haben Sie er gesehen im Internet? Team C, there's some noise from some participant's house. I would request you please inform the others to lower the volume, or you will close the door of your room, please,
Ma'am,
so that the others don't get disturbed. Yes, please.
ma'am, is it Johannes Rau?
9. Let me ask the other participants. Has anybody seen him somewhere? Maybe on the internet somewhere while scrolling and finding out certain questions and answers?
Ma'am, I don't know, but I can give it a try. Ludwig Erhard.
No. Helmut Kohl. It is Helmut Kohl. Okay?
Can you repeat once for
Helmut
knowledge?
Kohl.
Okay.
Yeah? All right.
Yeah.
Let's come to Frage Nummer 4 for Team J. Frage Nummer 4. Where is the?
Angelina Merkel.
Oh, superb. Team D, 10 points. Kabir, 10 points for him. Team D.
No, Pooja, half points. The first name was not correct. He said Angelina Merkel.
But ma'am, we don't have bonus points. This is for Team D.
Let him try again. The full name. Kabir,
say it again.
Angelina Merkel.
Okay. So half points, ma'am?
Yeah. Either no
All right.
or.
The first name is wrong. It's Angela Merkel. You'll get 5 points. Monica ma'am, 5 points to Team D. All right, let's come to Team E now. Team E, Frage Nummer 5. Was ist das? Bitte sagen Sie den Namen dafür. Ja? Sagen Sie den Namen. Team E, Asta.
Ma'am, it is the flag of that parliament.
I'm saying, sagen Sie den Namen. There is a name for this particular symbol. Name that. The symbol has a name. Think about the name of the symbol. Denken Sie, schnell.
Flag.
It is there, but
Federal Republic flag.
9. Anybody would like to say this?
I'm Bundestag.
Bundesrat?
Bundestag.
No, this is Bundesadler. What is Bundestag? Bundesadler. That is the name dafür. All right, let's come to Team F. The next question, Team F. Frage Nummer 6. Was ist das?
Ein Monument.
9. Say, think of it again. You have to see the place, you have to mention what is this place.
Parliament.
9. That is the name.
Center.
9. Answer is given here. Answer is given era. I give you another chance as well to repeat it. This is the House von President. All right, again the time for scoreboard. Monica ma'am, let's see the scores after the political round. All right, after the second round, we have Team A at 30, Team B at 30, Team C leading at 40. Great. Team D at 25, Team E at 10, Team F also at 10. Yes? Somebody saying something?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I'm having a little bit of network lag, so I was not able to see, ma'am. But I know my score.
You've seen your score now? You're in which team, dear? You are?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Can you go further? So now it's the time to begin with a very, very much exciting round. That is an audio round. My favorite for sure. I'm sure it's going to be your favorite as well. You're going to enjoy Now, here's two.
Pooja,
The nuisance. Yes, ma'am.
Pooja,
Yes, ma'am.
whenever whoever the participant is being asked, ask the person to unmute the mic before you play the audio. I don't
All
want
right.
anybody at home also helping. If they have some German knowledge.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Yes.
can I please just get to check on my Wi-Fi? Actually, it's giving some lag. If you allow,
We can hear you and we can see you properly.
ma'am, but I cannot see the screen actually. That is what I was saying.
How long will you take?
Ma'am, only 1 minute. I have just to go and see the connection if it's working, or I have to switch off all the connections on other phones for better.
Let's ask
network.
Miss Mahajan then. Yeah, Ritu ma'am will
Yeah.
let us know.
Ma'am, because like before also some questions I was like just not able to see at all.
But Kabir, this is an audio round. I think you will be able to manage.
Yeah, Frau?
Yeah, this is an audio round. Next round will be a video round. Sorry,
Okay.
next round will be a visual round.
Okay, ma'am. Then
Go to the visual round. Are you just completely not able to see it?
yes, ma'am.
From beginning till now, you're not able to see the screen?
No, ma'am. Some questions I was able to see, like the.
All right.
Yes.
All right. So all of you are ready? Just keep distance from your device. And I don't think you need to keep your distance from device. You need to just listen carefully. Yeah? Die müssen zuhören und die Nomen mit dem Artikel sagen. I repeat it again. You have to listen very carefully and remember to say the nouns only with the articles. This is what everybody has learned this way. Even we have learned this way. Our teacher used to always teach us, right? So let's hear the first track for Team A. Noch einmal bitte. Team A. What sound is that? What do you think? What is the article? The noun nomen mit dem Artikel bitte. Na, das ist alles. Yeah, Team A, Sargun.
I not to.
Sargun is saying something?
I not to.
9. You would have finished. The anderen. Ah, das ist einfach.
May I?
Ja, bitte.
Die Kuh.
Then die ist richtig. Kuh isn't. It is the who. It is the sound is only for one. That is singular, nicht plural. Okay? And you have to go back to your memory lane, go back to your little lower standard there in your classes, and remember what have you learned in your 6th standard? Hallo Deutsch. You remember all the sounds over there. I'm sure you will. All right, let's continue. So 10 points. So no points will be given to Team A. No points will be given to Team A. Team B. Jack.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Team B.
Ma'am, das guitar. Das guitar.
You will get marks for only one. It is die Gitarre. The article is nicht richtig. So Monica ma'am, only 10 points to Team B. Only 10 points. Article was it is immer wichtig, immer. All right, Team C, here comes the third track for you. Einfach. Fascinating, isn't it?
Ma'am,
Team C. Team C, please say the answer. One moment. Let the sound go. Team C.
Der Flugzeug.
Say it again. What is the article?
Ma'am, der Flugzeug.
Oh, article needs to be learned more by heart. Article is wrong. Flugzeug ist richtig. That is das Flugzeug. All right, Monica ma'am, only 10 points to team C. Only 10 points. Remember, you people have got these books which have got colorful schemes, right? Learn always according to that. Let's go to team D. Saga number 4. Yeah.
Yeah, Afro, you can play.
Yes, I'm playing.
Mama, I cannot hear.
Did you hear that?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, could you please play once again?
It is no Swaiman.
Yeah,
Varun.
Afro. No, actually, it's too much like echo.
That's it.
Is it, Frau? Is it some furniture?
You need to name whatever it is. Whichever object you think it is, you need to name along with the
Okay.
article.
Detour.
All right, correct answer. 20 points. 10 points for the article and 10 points for the noun. 20 points to team D. Detour. Rishtish. All right, team E. Track 5 for you. Yeah. Team E.
D D2
Hmm? No, kein Mal
D2
bitte. Nee. No, no. No, wrong answer. Anybody would like to give it a try and just tell me what noun in the article does it have?
Ma'am, Fogel.
Fogel. What is the? It
Canarian.
is Fogel. It's not Fogel. Bitte. Es ist nicht
Canarian.
Fogel. Es ist Vogel.
Vogel.
Was ist die Artikel für Vogel?
Dare.
Dare
There.
Die.
D.
Yeah. So, all right. I'll tell you after this. Okay, Team F. Let's come to Team F. Track 6. Yeah, Team 6. Ira. Yes, Team F. Team F. Quickly.
It is train, right?
Yeah, but I wish the quiz was in English. It's in German. Can you translate in German and tell me? Time is running out.
The no, there.
Time is up. Time is up. Ira, I can't accept your answer. What is the article and the noun? Was haben wir a train auf Deutsch?
Ma'am, there zoo.
Yeah, there was
Ma'am,
Zoo.
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 Sir. Su. Was ist die?
Zoo.
What is that? Z. Z is the sir. Please come back to your pronunciation, yeah? It's the sir. This is Su. Yeah? Kind problem. Yes?
Ma'am, can I get 0.5 marks for giving the correct article?
Say it again.
Ma'am, can I get 0.5 marks, like half the marks of 10 points for giving the correct article?
You didn't say the article, no?
Oh, ma'am, I said it. Ma'am, there.
Okay. There you said it. Okay. Yes. 10 points for that. And come to that. 10 points for team F. It's just saying the article. Next time you need to back up more with the articles. Most of you are totally confused with the articles. All right. After the end of round 3, let's see the scores. All right. After After the round 3, we have Team A at 30, Team B at 40, Team C at 50, still leading. Team D rushing up at 45, Team E and Team F at 10.
Ma'am, I got 10 right.
Now it's 5.
It isn't
Monica
10.
ma'am, Monica ma'am, 5 marks for the correct, 10 points for this one, the third round.
I also said correct article.
No, I've given the marks for the article when you have said it correctly that time.
Mama, I
I
said
said it
D.
then and there.
Mama, I said D. D. I said Nomen incorrect, but I said correct article.
So I've given.
But how does it make sense when you don't even know the noun? I mean, you can say the, there, thus. In fact, even for era, you don't even know the noun. I mean, if you say incorrect article, we can still give you half a point. But if you don't say noun and there are only 3 articles, there, the, thus.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Without a noun, how can you get a mark for an article? Without an article, you can get a mark, half mark for noun. What do you say, Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Like Asta is saying, she said Diku, and
Yes, ma'am.
it was about a bird. So if you don't even know the noun, what is the? I mean, how does it make sense of saying the right article when you don't even know the word?
So, ma'am, since Preeti ma'am, you are the judge, your decision will be final and final.
Ma'am, then I would not give any of them an extra point because you need to know the noun first, and then only you can say the article.
Ma'am, I
So
totally
kindly tell
agree with
ma'am.
you, but ma'am, in this round, I guess we are given 10 marks for the article and ma'am 10 marks
No.
for the correct word.
Yes, 10 marks for the article, for the correct article, for the correct noun, right? So if you don't know the noun, how will you get a mark for an article? Right? I mean, let's be fair. It's not we are not losing or winning anything, but just think from your side. I mean, if Asta is saying I had said the right article and she didn't even knew about what noun is, this logic doesn't go. Yeah? Thank you.
Correct, ma'am. Correct. That's what I've been saying since beginning. You always speak the noun along with the article. You have to always learn it that way. Right? Let's come to the last round that we have, round 4. That is Deutsche Denkmäler. That is German monuments. Yeah? So everybody is ready for the last round now? Are you all ready? Great. Let's come to this. The first picture, the first is for Team A. Team A.
Brandenburger Tor.
Wichtiges Antwort. 10 Punkte. 10 points, Monica ma'am. 10 points to Team A. Let's come to Frage Nummer 2, Team B.
Yes, ma'am.
What's that?
It's a statue of World War One.
You have to name, give the name. Whatever you're saying, it's all English. Unfortunately, we have it in German.
What are you doing, Soham?
I'm nothing.
Then, how come the sound is coming? Time out. Time out.
I know the answer.
Yes, please tell me.
Buchenwald Memorial.
Yes,
Yes, this is Buchenwald Memorial. Wichtiges Antwort. I have a kind, no points for that. No problem, but good you know it. All right, now Team C. Ready for the next question? Team C? Team C, quickly. This is so Huh?
Bundesrat.
Bundesrat?
Bundesrat.
Nee, der Name ist nicht Bundesrat. Es ist Reichstagsgebäude. Namen dafür ist Reichstagsgebäude. Yeah? Kein Problem. Let's go further. Frage Nummer 4. That is for Team D. Team D. Was ist das?
Yeah, Frau.
Quickly. Wir haben nicht so viel Zeit. Time is running out.
TV tower.
Are we playing a quiz of English? Tell me.
Yes, yeah, Frau.
Are we playing it in English?
No, Frau. Actually.
Time up. Time up, dear. You should keep a watch on the timer as well. Yeah, Fernsehen Turm. We're not playing any English quiz over here. Das ist nur auf Deutsch. So das ist ein Berliner Fernsehturm. Yeah?
Frau,
No
Frau,
point.
By
Yes.
the way, is it Fernsehturm? Fernsehturm.
Yes, yes, it is Fernsehturm. Yeah? Looks beautiful, isn't it? The ones who are very much interested in going to Germany by seeing all the beautiful pictures over here,
No,
you
actually,
need to
I
brush
was
up your
like
German.
just translating.
But no problem. Time is up. No points for anyone. All right. Next question. Frage Nummer 5 for Team E. Team E. Asta. Asta, time is running. Okay, kein Problem. Wir können die anderen Person fragen.
May I try?
Jemand weiß? Yeah, please try. Please try. It's all about gaining knowledge. Don't worry.
Yes. Is it the Hermann Monument?
Yes, it is the Hermannsdenkmal. But no points, no problem. Now with this, you will be able to understand, you know so much about Germany. So all you have to do is just brush up your German, learn it nicely for next few months, next few years rather, and then you can try and go to Germany as well. Definitely. All right, let's come to the next team. Team F. Frage Nummer 6. Here you go.
Is it Dresden Fraukirche?
9. No, not at all. 9. Jemand weiß?
May I try?
Yeah, please try.
Schloss Neuschwanstein.
Yes, it's
Neuschwanstein.
Neuschwanstein. Yes, Schloss. Das ist ein Schloss. Neuschwanstein. Natürlich. Sehr gut. Aber keine Punkte. No point for this. Good, but good. Right. Now let's come to the next segment of round 4. The last and final segment. All right, Team A, here's the question for you. Hermann Hinselmann heute das der jüngste Ritter in der Hauptstadt Berlin. Was ist das? Denken Sie, was hat in der Hauptstadt Berlin gebaut? Was hat gebaut? In Berlin. Say it again. Saying something? Nee, das ist ein Fernsehturm. Es war ein Fernsehturm. So, hat das gebaut. Okay? Beautiful one, isn't it? Right, let's go to the next one. Team B. Last and final question for you. Here it comes. B. Gedenkstätte. Die Gedenkstätte Berliner Mauer wurde in Lücke von der Bundesrepublik Deutschland
Berlin Wall.
und dem Land, Berlin, gebaut. Hmm? Say it
Berlin
again.
Wall. Berlin Wall.
No. Try to understand the question. The question is, die Gedenkstätte Berliner Mauer wurde in Lücke, von der Bundesrepublik Deutschland und dem Bundesland Berlin gebaut. Sag.
Ma'am, 2002.
Nein, incorrect. Das ist nicht ein richtiges Jahr. Okay, die anderen, jemand weiß, wann war es gebaut? Es war in 1998. Yeah, 1998. All right, let's come to Team C now with Frage 3. Wer baute das berühmte Brandenburg-Tor? Wer war das? Oh, wer hat das gebaut? Team C. Last and final question. Quickly, Samrit. Where are you again lost? Busy somewhere else. Samrit?
Amish weiß nicht.
Samrit, the time is going. Okay, kein Problem. Jemand weiß, wer hat das gebaut? Yes? Anybody knows? Kein Problem. I'll tell you the answer. Yes, yeah? Somebody saying something?
Yes, ma'am. Berlin.
Nee.
Ma'am, I know the answer by the way.
Please? Okay, tell me.
King Frederick William.
Ooh, superb. King Frederick William II. Yeah? Good. But it tells you,
Yeah.
that we haben eine gute Kenntnisse. Sehr gut. Okay, let's come to Team D with Frage Nummer 4. Wo liegt das Schloss Neuschwanstein in Deutschland? Wo liegt das? Bitte, wo?
Frau,
Ravi,
I
your
know.
hands up.
Yeah, Frau.
Team D. Team D only will answer. Nobody else is supposed to say
Yeah,
anything.
Frau.
Team D. Yeah. Say.
Frau, it lies near Rhine River, the longest river of Germany.
Place. Okay. Place. Rhine is a very long river. Goes to many cities.
But
Yeah?
ma'am, it flows through too many places.
I'm asking the place. Time up. Jemand weiß? Wo ist das? Wo liegt das? Ja, bitte.
Bayern.
Bayern, ja. Es liegt in Bayern. Ja.
Frau,
Yeah.
but when I read about this monument, I heard that basically, people says that it lies near the banks of Rhine River. So
But
does
Rhine is not a small river, no? It's a long one. I was saying I need a name of the place which is there.
Yeah.
Right? You were right. That's okay. But Rhine is not a very small river. It's a long river. So, and it goes through many places.
Okay,
Which
ma'am, I
place
would
was that?
just ask something
Okay.
if we would if there's some temples, so we would say in many areas we heard saying that it lies on the bank of Brahmaputra River or Ganga River, so at least it should worth some point.
No.
Ravi,
But I told you it's a place.
Yeah, Preeti ma'am.
it says wo, where? Like if
Yeah.
where is Ayodhya temple? Would you say on the banks of Ganga? Would you say in Uttar Pradesh, in Ayodhya?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Frau. Yeah.
Yeah, Ganga flows from top to bottom in India. So is Rhine. So it's yeah. It's not an welchem Fluss.
Okay, Frau. Okay, Frau.
Yeah. Die Frage pronomen sind immer wichtig. See,
Danke,
there are two
Frau.
things which I've always learned. One is the Frage pronomen, the anderen is the Verb. Immer, Sie müssen die richtige You should always know which is the correct word, okay?
Thank you,
Thanks,
ma'am.
Swapnil. Thank you, ma'am. Team E, Frage Nummer 5. Welchen wichtigen Umbau hat der Architekt Norman Foster im Jahr 1999 nach der deutschen Wiedervereinigung durchgeführt? Das ist, listen again. Welchen wichtigen Umbau hat der Architekt Norman Foster im Jahr 1999 nach der deutschen Wiedervereinigung durchgeführt?
Parliament building of Germany.
I want the words in German, please. I want only German words. I can give you marks only for that. Yeah, say. Say fast.
Rhine.
Time up. It is Reichstag. You have to say all the words in German. Ich spiele ein Quiz, das ist nur auf Deutsch. Wir können nicht auf Englisch sprechen. Yeah, but German. All right, the last and final question for our team F.
What is
Frage Nummer 6.
Can you please repeat?
Reichstag. The previous question, the answer was Reichstag. Durchgeführt. That was I'm saying. Always be very careful with the answer, the verbs. Okay. Nennen Sie die zwei größten Kirche Europas in Deutschland. Team F. Mira?
Dresden Fraukirche.
Welche? Welche Kirche?
Fraukirche. Dresden Fraukirche.
Nay, now, nine. Last question. Would anybody like to say? Last question.
Cathedral Church.
Not Cathedral Church. Somebody has said something else?
Spear.
This is Kölner Dom. This is Kölner Dom. Right. With this, we come to an end of the quiz round. Final quiz round. Let's see the scores over here. With this, we have Team A at 40, Team B also at 40, Team C at 50. Wow! Team D at 45, Team E at 10, Team F at also 10. So, hip hip hooray and big cheer to Team C, 50 points. Let's cheer up for everybody over here because everybody has done a lot of hard work by learning all the questions, giving all the answers for sure. So let's clap hands and do hip hip hooray for everybody. Yay! Yeah? So great. I'm really very excited about the quiz. Right? So, as this quiz comes to an end, I would like to give my heartfelt thanks to our principal ma'am for giving us this opportunity and the platform wherein students could showcase their skills. I would also like to thank our supervisory head, Ms. Ritu Mahajan, for the extreme hard work laid down, which enabled us to add few feathers to our cap, despite many odds. And Ms. Preeti Shah, nevertheless, for sparing her valuable time, her experience, her knowledge, and everything. Great occasion and make it wonderful. Thank you so much, Preeti ma'am. Thank you so much for your
Thank you to you,
presence, ma'am.
Pooja, as well, and Anu also, for conducting these events so beautifully. And of course, without Ritu ma'am, it wasn't possible, for sure.
And
Thank you,
without
Preeti
you
ma'am.
also wouldn't have been it wouldn't have been possible for sure.
But yeah, kids, you did really wonderful job. I mean, you've reached here.
Yes.
Losing and winning is a different thing. Congratulations to all of you. And maybe all of you, one of you will go further and study in Germany. You never know.
You never know. I'm sure they will be striving for it by seeing all these beautiful pictures, and they've learned different lots and lots of knowledge over here, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
So all of you enjoyed? Everybody enjoyed?
Thank you, Preeti ma'am. Thank you, Preeti ma'am. You have spared so much of time, and not only in the morning because of the network issues, but still you have managed to be here. Though from the busy schedule, you took out so much of your time and interacted with the students. We sincerely hope that you liked the way it was conducted and you liked interacting with the students.
Yes, very much. Thank you so much. It was done beautifully.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Means a lot.
Maybe I'll say hello to in person for a second. I don't know whether you guys can see me or not. I haven't checked
I
my
need to
camera.
Thank you, kids. Yeah.
Thank you and well done.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, kids.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ritu
Bye-bye.
ma'am. Bye,
Thank
kids.
you.
All the best.
Thank you.
Future.
Thank you. Bye, kids.
Thank you.
Very nice to interact. It was a complete pleasure to be with you. Thank you. See you on 27th on virtual platform.